Nature Sunshine's new SmartMeal Nutritional Meal Replacement Shakes help you manage your weight, curb your appetite, and simply feel good. Packed with high-quality non-GMO protein from soy, pea, and golden chlorella, along with essential amino acids to sustain and feed lean muscle tissue, which is key to a healthy metabolism and fat reduction. SmartMeal also contains 200 milligrams of essential omega-3 fatty acids, which is good for your body and contributes to a feeling of fullness. At only 130 calories per serving, SmartMeal can replace 1 or 2 meals per day as part of a weight management program, or as a healthy and delicious snack. You may also add fruit or other healthy supplements to your shake for even more health benefits, or to simply add variety. SmartMeal is convenient, quick, and available in 3 delicious flavors: chai, vanilla, and chocolate. Lose weight, curb your appetite, and feel great by adding SmartMeal to your daily health regimen.